Most people have no idea cold exposure can boost your dopamine levels by up to 250%. That's a game changer for mental clarity and focus. Just 11 minutes per week of chilly immersion unlocks incredible health perks. Get ready to supercharge your wellness journey like never before. The truth about quick fixes like caffeine is that they're merely temporary crutches. They barely scratch the surface. You're missing out on cold exposure, a proven method to transform mental stamina and physical health to sustained energy levels. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the powerful benefits of cold exposure and how just 11 minutes a week optimizes your health. Get ready to unlock mitochondrial upgrades, brown fat activation, and a dopamine boost to redefine your daily routine. Dive into mitochondrial upgrades. Cold exposure triggers your body to create more efficient mitochondria, boosting energy and endurance. Think of it as upgrading your phone's battery for your body. Just 11 minutes of cold showers weekly and you're on your way. Activate that brown fat. Unlike white fat, which stores energy, brown fat burns calories to generate heat. Turn on your internal furnace to optimize calorie burn and improve metabolism. A brief cold exposure session can be your energy-efficient heater. Unlock a natural dopamine boost. Cold exposure enhances dopamine, leading to improved mood and focus. This isn't just a temporary high. Experience a gentle, sustained wave of energy. Feel more engaged and motivated throughout the day. Cold exposure reduces systemic inflammation. By lowering inflammatory markers, it accelerates recovery after workouts and minimizes muscle soreness. This practice supports overall immune function, essential for athletes and fitness lovers. Begin with cooler showers, gradually lowering the temperature to build tolerance. Too many dive in unprepared. Remember, consistency over intensity locks in those benefits. Cold exposure is training your immune system at the gym. Enhance calorie burning by activating brown adipose tissue. This isn't average fat. It's how your body efficiently uses and burns energy. Think of it as unlocking a hidden heater inside your body, transforming metabolism for the better. Embrace the end on cold strategy. Finish showers with cold water and let your body warm itself naturally. This process amplifies calorie burn and kickstarts brown fat activation. It's a simple yet effective addition to your wellness toolbox. The 11-minute protocol is concise yet impactful. Spread sessions over the week as total time matters more than intensity. You're not diving into discomfort, you're gently building resilience. Here's what most people get completely wrong. They think longer exposure is better. Overexposure causes stress, not benefits. Start gradually, building cold tolerance over time. Focus on consistent exposure rather than pushing limits too quickly. Remember, cold exposure transforms your health with these 3 takeaways. Unlock mitochondria for energy, activate brown fat for metabolism, and boost dopamine for clarity. Like, subscribe, and comment your cold exposure experience. Visit fat2fixpress.com for more tips.